हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज मनीष एंड यू आर वाचिंग एलिट मनीष सर की क्लासेस। दोस्तों, आज हम बीए फर्स्ट ईयर एग्जामिनेशन 2022 के इंग्लिश प्रोज और राइटिंग स्किल्स से रिलेटेड पेपर 2 को डिस्कस करेंगे। पेपर 1 का सॉल्यूशन मैं पहले ही अपलोड कर चुका हूं दोस्तों। तो विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स बिगिन आवर टुडेज क्लास। Attempt any 75 questions out of 100. Here comes our first question. Essay on the Gita is a work by, the correct answer is Sri Aurobindo. Option B will be correct, friends. Bande Mataram is a collection of essay by Sri Aurobindo. The author of Gora is Rabindranath Tagore. The Life Divine is a great work of prose that is philosophical. ये औरोबिंदो का लिखा हुआ एक फिलोसॉफिकल वर्क है दोस्तों, जिसमें उन्होंने इंटीग्रल योगा की बात की है। टैगोर्स नॉवेल्स आर ओरिजिनली रिटन इन विच लैंग्वेज? द करेक्ट आंसर इज बंगाली। टैगोर्स नॉवेल्स आर फुल ऑफ humanism. Option C will be correct. Tagore's political novel is Gora. Postmaster is a fine story written by Rabindranath Tagore, friends. Next question. The characters in Tagore's stories are full of deep emotions. The problem that find prominent place in Tagore's stories are social. K.S. Venkatramani wrote mainly on South Indian rural life, friends. उन्होंने ग्रामीण जिंदगी के उत्थान के लिए बहुत सारे वर्क्स लिखे हैं दोस्तों। K.S. Venkatramani's well-known work is मुर्गन द टिलर, जो उनका लिखा हुआ पहला नॉवल है दोस्तों। भवानी भट्टाचार्य रिसीव्ड साहित्य अकेडमी फॉर हिज नॉवल Shadow from Ladakh. Bhattacharya's novels have a social purpose. Bhattacharya supports Gandhian ideology in which of his novel? The correct answer is Shadow from Ladakh, क्योंकि बाकी के तीनों भट्टाचार्य के लिखे नॉवल ही नहीं है दोस्तों। The novel that made Mulk Raj Anand popular is Untouchable. Question number 17th. Anand's novels are, the correct answer is realistic. The soul of Anand's novel is humanism. Anand's novel show a great sympathy for the poor. R.K. Narayan's novels express love for family life. Narayan's reason is Malgudi. Which of the following novels is one of his best novels? The correct answer is The Guide. Narayan's characters are in a variety. Kamala Markandeya's Nectar in a Sieve deals with the effect of hunger. The first novel by Nayanthara Sehgal is A Time to be Happy, क्योंकि बाकी के तीन नयनतारा सहगल द्वारा लिखे नॉवल ही नहीं है दोस्तों। Next question. Any spoken or written language that is not in the verse form is called prose. Non-verse drama, novels, stories, criticism, etc. are the examples of literary prose. Newspapers, journalism, biographies, autobiographies, etc. are the examples of non-literary prose, friends. Style is manner of writing. Aphoristic style is proverbial. The master of aphoristic style is Sir Francis Bacon. Biblical style is difficult to understand, friends. Which of the following authors writes in biblical style? It is Sir Francis Bacon. When prose is full of emotions, it creates, the correct answer is narrative style. The essays of Charles Lamb are in discursive style. The story of a person's life written by that person is called autobiography. On the Wings of Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. A story of person's life written by some other person is called biography. A film or talk or lecture or article describing one's travels is a travelogue. A written account of life based on someone's memories is called memoir. Option B will be correct, friends. The term essay means attempt. Next question is, who is called father of English essay? It is Sir Francis Bacon. Option D will be correct. Newspapers and magazines are periodicals because they appear at a fixed period of time, friends. Option A is the right one. The Spectator and the Tatler are periodicals. The personal essay reflects writer's personality. The term theme means subject. Option C will be correct, friends. The term diction means selection and arrangement of words. Sentence patterns are made up of. The correct answer is phrases and clauses. The term analogy means similarity. The term imagery means language producing pictures. Next question. Francis Bacon is an author of. The correct answer is Elizabethan Age. Bacon's essays are impersonal. Bacon's prose style is aphoristic. The essay of studies advises us how to study well. Complete the following sentence. Reading makes the full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. In the essay of travel, Bacon tells that travel to the young people is a part of education. Option B is the correct one. In a travel, you should avoid quarrelsome persons. Charles Lamb's essays are personal. Lamb's Dream Children is a daydream, friends. Option C will be correct. The collection of Lamb's essays is known as Essays of Elia. The Dream Children were John and Alice, friends. Option D is the right one. After reading Dream Children, do you agree that the essay resembles a lyric? The correct answer is yes. We are not of Alice, nor of thee, nor are we children at all. To Lamb, who seemed to speak these words. The correct answer is option C, Alice and John. Next question. Which of the following is an author of periodical essays? The correct answer is Richard Steele. Which of the following authors started the Tatler? The answer again is Steele. Option C is correct, friends. The periodical essay is the product of the correct answer is neoclassical age. Next question. How many members are there in the Spectator Club? There were 6 members, friends. Option C is correct. Sir Roger de Coverley is imaginary character. The last member of the Spectator Club is the clergyman. Oliver Goldsmith's essays are collected in The Citizen of the World. Prejudice means unreasonable feeling. Next question. The essay National Prejudices promotes international brotherhood. Option C is correct. Goldsmith in National Prejudices advises us to rise above the narrow-mindedness of country. Option C is correct. 74. According to Goldsmith, we should live man as man. Option A is correct, friends. According to Goldsmith, prejudices affect even a gentleman. Next question is Virginia Woolf was a notable. The correct answer is modernist. Virginia Woolf was a novelist and essayist. Woolf was a feminist. Option B is correct. Which of the following is a novel by Virginia Woolf? The correct answer is Mrs. Dalloway. Professions for Women was collected in. The correct answer is Death of a Moth and Other Essays. Next question. In Professions for Women, Woolf raises a problem of gender inequality. Option A is correct, friends. Complete the following sentence written by Woolf in the essay, "The room is your own, but it is still bare." Next question. In the essay, Woolf advised women to fight for equal rights. According to Woolf, women are to fight phantoms and obstacles. Next question. In her essay, Woolf refers to the following poem. Which of these? The correct answer is The Angel in the House. Woolf in the essay advised other women writers to have unconscious mind. In the essay, Woolf inspires women to break conventions. In the essay, Woolf inspires women to be ambitious. Next question. APJ Abdul Kalam was a aerospace scientist. Kalam Sahab was also the President of India. Patriotism Beyond Politics and Religion is a chapter from Dr. Kalam's book. The correct answer is Ignited Minds. In the chapter, Dr. Kalam shares various details of nation building. Next question. In the chapter, Dr. Kalam calls Indians to rise to greatness. According to Dr. Kalam, one of the factors that make a nation strong is, the correct answer is a collective pride. Dr. Kalam writes that Japan represents a fine example of national pride. According to Dr. Kalam, in order to rise to greatness, a nation should have a sense of mission. Option B is correct, friends. Next question is, Dr. Kalam is of the view that the central theme of any religion is. The correct answer is spiritual well-being. Next question. In Dr. Kalam's opinion, the division of people is very dangerous to our sense of. The correct answer is unity. Dr. Kalam's opinion, our leadership must get all the forces for. The correct answer is constructive change. Option B is right. Dr. Kalam received the award Bharat Ratna. With this, I end today's class, friends. Thank you very much.